So we've got the big heavy crown off this, and we've got to break it. But the reason this was all falling apart is the bricklayer had tried to seal this cavity off with a very heavy bit of blocks put together, and what happened was that sort of wiggled its way down and pushed all those blocks out. So we have to get this out because it's just going to keep sliding down little by little. Every little earthquake or bus going by moves at a fraction of an inch. Once we get that out, it's just a matter of building it back up and putting our crown back on. So we were able to pull that out. That was all piled in there and slipping down little by little, knocking this whole structure apart. Now there's nothing in there to push things around. We're going to have to rebuild this part, but that's nothing compared to what would happen if the whole thing fell apart. So that's our morning's work. And now we've got our cap on, and we've added a piece of flue liner here to bring it up to where you could mount a gas fireplace afterwards. We're going to cap that temporary, and we've got our rain caps going to go on here in a second while I'm making them, and we're good. So we're just putting the top cap on, and we'll finish all the last mirror coating.